Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anupriya Goel from Berkowits Hair and Skin Clinic, and today we are going to do our first very unboxing video. Guys, we post a lot of skincare and hair care content on Instagram at Dr. Anupriya Goel and at Berkowits Clinic, so make sure to follow us over there. Now let's start with the unboxing. So today I'm going to unbox the Berkowits Clear Combo Box. This is one of my favorite combo boxes from their entire range. I'll tell you why. First, let's see what all products are there inside this box. Here we go. So we have in here a Berkowits Clear shampoo, a Berkowits Clear conditioner, and a Berkowits Clear foaming serum. And when you order this box, you also get a Berkowits hair brush. So let's start with the Berkowits Clear foaming solution. Now when you start using this entire range of products, the first product that you have to use on your scalp is this one. You have to take half cupful of this product and apply it on the scalp. Massage it gently with your fingers. This contains salicylic acid, defense scalp, and pyractonolamine. So when you apply this on your scalp, leave it for a minimum period of 2 hours or even overnight. This will help in really clearing up your dandruff extremely fast. However, make sure that you do not have psoriasis or a severe condition of seborrheic dermatitis. This is extremely good for dandruff, but not for very severe conditions. Next, after you use this serum, use this Berkowits shower hairbrush. Now this is made up of extremely thick bristles. So when you massage your scalp with this shower brush, it helps in loosening up your dandruff flakes. It also helps in increasing your circulation, so it also helps in your hair growth. Third, use the Berkowits Clear shampoo. Now this anti-dandruff shampoo contains pyractonolamine and it also contains ZPTO or zinc pyrithione. So it is very, very effective in clearing out your dandruff. It also contains menthol, so when you apply this on your scalp, it leaves a very nice cooling sensation, which I personally really love. Keep it on your scalp for 2 minutes, wash your hair, and then follow it up with the conditioner. Now a lot of people, when they come to me for a correction of their dandruff, they have a concern that whenever they use an anti-dandruff shampoo, that helps in clearing up their dandruff for sure, but that also makes their hair dry. And that is why we came up with this anti-dandruff conditioner, so that you can apply this on your hair, and if it goes on your scalp, then also it does not have any side effects. It will only prevent your dandruff, and it leaves your hair extremely smooth, and it does not dry out your scalp at all. So guys, if you have dandruff and if your scalp is prone to dandruff, use these 4 products for a minimum period of 1 month, and I assure you that you will be extremely happy with the results. This entire range can also be used for oily scalp and acne-prone scalp. Now, if you want to order this entire range of Berkowits Clear shampoo, conditioner, serum, and the comb, then you can find the link in the description box below. And if you happen to use these products, make sure to leave us a comment below and share your experience. Your experience is extremely valuable to us. Stay healthy and stay beautiful. Thank you.